Hey, this is Ben from Ben's Kitchen and Garden. So I'm here at the garden plot and thought I'd show you some of my tomato trellising. So you can see that this tomato is kind of sandwiched between several different strings, and all I do is take a piece of twine, wrap it around the end stake. This is a super short run, and then wrap it around another end stake, and then back again, and then same thing, keep going up the plant or up the stake as the plant grows. And I like this a lot because instead of sandwiching it here and like trying to tie it to the stake, I can kind of let the plant grow and expand and then have it sort of smushed between these two strings. It's a lot less constricting, it doesn't break the plant as often, and it requires a little bit less constant tying. Especially as the plant gets really top heavy, that plant can sort of tip over and tip off the top of the stake as you grow up. You can see I weed heavily and then put down straw. This is all tomatoes at this garden plot here, this little bench, and we're doing okay. I mean, it was super hot and dry, and I lost a few plants to a late frost, but we're back again, ready for a big season. So the one thing I would say is that these stakes are the most important thing. They're metal T-posts that are 8 feet tall. I put them a foot in the ground. I've used all sorts of wood stakes. I've used a variety of different plastic, metal, all the other kind of just garden center stakes, and they always bend and crack. So I end up just investing in these steel T-posts, and they'll last forever. They're so much more substantial. And the big thing is that because you can create a little bit of tension, like here, when you're putting that in, these need to be super sturdy or else they will bend every single time. So I put this around there and then I tighten it up, and then you can see it just runs down all the way down. So you need fewer stakes and probably a little bit more string, but that's a pretty good trade-off. Yeah, and you can see these are pruned slightly. I do that early on, and I'll probably do that as we go just to clean them up and improve airflow, since again this is all tomatoes. But the plot's looking good. I'm excited. I can almost taste it. Okay, that's a little bit premature, but we're getting close to some beautiful midsummer tomatoes, and then set up really nicely for a big late summer fall push. Thanks for watching.